NNEWI beauty pageant. The most beautiful girl in NNNEWI beauty pageant. Wow, so lovely, so lovely, so lovely. Step it down, DJ. Step it down, DJ. Thank you, DJ. Thank you. Your Excellencies, distinguished ladies and gentlemen. As you can see, the two of us now model. Next year we'll have miscarriage. But these are the most beautiful girls we've ever seen in NNEWI. Please put your hands together for them, please. Okay, funny bone.
All right, Bikono, Kaikon Haka, please clap for them, Bikono. Kon Haka. All right, thank you. At this point in time, we're going to take the Ifan Yuba Football Club anthem. This is a club that is dear to us. This is a club that will take Anambra State continental come next year.
We are born winners, shining bright like a star. The gift of God to Africa. FC Ifan Yuba, united we stand, hand in hand, bringing glory to our land. Football club Ifan Yuba, Anambra Warriors. Football club Ifan Yuba.
Ladies and gentlemen, if you are proud of the club that won the FA Cup, make some noise. I need to let you know, this is a special segment. I need you to savor the beauty and presence of this wonderful contestant. Savor the beauty and presence of this contestant. I want you to know that this is the most beautiful girl in NNEWI beauty pageant. And one of these girls is just gonna go home with a car and a prize money. I want you to also know that pageantry is a unique focus on culture, true living expression of beauty, modesty, creativity, and brain. So go ahead and savor the beauty and presence of all these wonderful contestants. One more time, show some love and put your hands together for all the contestants here present. All right. Now some of you are saying, oh, I think I'm finer than this girl, your father. Why did you not buy the form? And why did you not make a primary decision to come out? In as much as you have this beautiful set, we are going to have the queen from this set tonight. Gordons, check it out.
Yeah, ladies and gentlemen, I think these girls are beautiful. Let's give them a round of applause. And some of them are very lucky that Ojukwu did not see them before he passed on. If not, Bianca would be a problem by now.
Gordons,
sir,
talk in favor of your balance.
No, my brother, all that Nadayo, Nigeria did recession, not in me. So, and so, the truth of the matter is, politicians, you are free to pick from one of these copies. You know, in this country, if you are a politician and you are married to a fine wife, when you go to meet God, they will give your wife a political position. And that's why when Telekiwa died, Itakiwa was given a political position. And then when Ikem by NNEWI died, Bianca was given a political position. And then when somebody was assassinated, Fuchsia William, in Lagos, because of their fine wife, when the man died, he was given a political, his wife was given a political position. Okay, if you now know Shomole, make una the one now. If he kick, make he carry wife go. If not, he go shoko. Men where they hide the wife, then they pray for Oshomole. All right, what's up?
Your Excellencies, distinguished ladies and gentlemen, at this point, we'll watch this beautiful damsels shake their bodies and dance. Don't forget,
Shake on waka.
No, they go dance
My
small.
sister, make una behave. People father dey here. Behave yourself.
And
Let them
please,
just walk. Let them just walk.
no, they go dance small. And we as well have other consolation prizes. So please, DJ, if you're ready, we are ready to see this beautiful dancer show themselves.
It makes the mix more exciting. Music is the power. It's not what you play that matters, but how you play what you play.
For everywhere. I don't know the way out. Please, into a chuku. Drill oil well. You can apply to the pipe. Alright. Capital oil can consult.
Let's decide with some beautiful. Who is this one? Are we done?
Thank you, DJ.
All right, DJ, bring it down. Bring it down.
Thank you, DJ. Thank you. Please, Your Excellencies, distinguished ladies and gentlemen, these are the contestants of this pageant. At this time, we shall go straight to business on how we will as well have a winner. I think the judges are on standby.
Yeah, they are.
So at this time, we shall ask them questions and they will answer. All the questions we have here, we as well have the answers. And I believe we are working in pari passu with the judges. I wish you well.
Are you ready? Go get a whisper. Miss Akabo, Miss Ezekwabo, Miss Okofia, Miss Abobo, Miss Ndiojuku, Miss Obunebu, Miss Ndiaku, Miss Obuno, Miss Umanoka, Miss Umanoka, Miss Ndiobwe, Miss Epulu, Miss Umo Ezokelum, Miss Obiuno, Miss Odida, Miss Ezi Ogugu, and Miss.
So Miss Akabo, what are you putting on?
Be careful with pronunciation, please.
Wearing dirty wear, it's made up of leaves, and leaf means life.
Is that all?
Yes, sir.
Thank you. Please, can we put our hands together for her? She says she's putting on leaf. She's putting on a cloth made of leaf. And the leaves means life. Okay.
Next is Miss Ezekwabo, please.
My outfit those nights, I saw it on the carnival attire, so I decided to create it on my own, so I can look this way, and I know I'm looking exceptional. Thank you.
Wow.
What is the name of what you're wearing?
It's a carnival attire.
What carnival attire?
I saw this attire, Abuja's attire, the carnival attire in Abuja, so I decided to make it.
Okay, she's wearing Abuja carnival attire. Put your hands together for her.
Next is Miss Okofia, please. Welcome.
Please, would like to inform us that it is based on their charisma and their approach. That is how the judges will as well know what they are doing. So please,
Miss Okofia, please.
Thank you very much. This is a historical representation. It's a remembrance of Adam and Eve in their past life when they were chased out of the Garden of Eden.
Okay, forgo.
This was what they were wearing to cover their
wonderful. This was what Eve used to command juju for Adam and Eve. And even if not do this thing, all of us here for naked.
All right, ladies and gentlemen, I present to you Miss Abobo, please.
Thank you for the question. If you look at me, you see I'm putting on a short offhand printed gown. From this, I think that those that normally create this is maybe those that cannot So from this, small, at least they will learn how to sew.
Okay, what she's putting on, and she's putting on a small gown that will learn how to sew small. And it is made up of newspaper, authority newspaper.
Look at our own event. Alright, I'll give you, ladies and gentlemen, Miss Ndiochukwu.
Thank you very much for the opportunity. Tonight, I'm because it's been recognized when seen by people. Thank you.
You know, what are you putting on again? We did not hear you.
I'm putting on a creative attire made with straw.
Made with straw. Why did you do your own with straw?
Because it's been recognized when seen by people. Thank you.
I'm suspecting her is like she wants to work in capital oil to do straw.
Alright, ladies and gentlemen, next is Miss Obunebu.
Thank you very much for that question. I'm putting on a bikini made with and flowers too. And as you all can see in this little basket I'm carrying, it's a tomato and grape in it. And leaf, we all know it's green and it represents nature and human platform unconditionally. Thank you.
That is this. So what will you call this attire?
A creative attire, a bikini creative attire made with green leaves and flowers. Thank you.
Okay. Maybe I say you go do this one, master.
Alright, welcome on board, Miss Ndiaku. You look take away. Okay, what is this all about?
And please, we will as well, you know we are live on air, so for benefit of those of us watching that are not from Igbo, like me, I'm from South, I'm from Ogoni, I'm not understanding, she should interpret. I wish you well.
No! Come back
Please interpret. You interpret for us.
Her name is Hanem.
Okay. Thank you. A big round of applause for her. She has just said she is the true daughter of the song. Thank you.
Let me meet you, Miss Obuno. You look good. So tell us about this.
What are you putting on?
Thank you so much for this opportunity. As you can see, I'm putting on a dinner gown with plain. It's made of cotton. It's made of cotton. Thank you.
Dinner gown, like ostrich.
Thank you.
This is good. Next is Miss Omo Anoka, please.
I would have loved to ask her.
Okay, over to you.
What are you putting on?
Good evening, everyone. Well, I'm putting on female one creative wear.
Please, you can hear them. They said you should be audible. Please, what are you putting on?
Speak up.
I said I'm putting on a female wine supper creative wear.
Okay. Is that all? You need to explain more on it?
No, thank you.
Please, a big round of applause for her.
Her name is... Her name? What's the name, please?
My name is Onedibe Ann.
Onedibe Ann, thank you. Handle it, Sue.
Okay, you have interest in the name?
No interest, I bet. Okay. Quick.
Thank you. I'm putting on a skirt made of a local mat. The skirt is being made of a local mat. Thank you.
And your name, please?
I think she's Miss
Ndiobe.
Yes, this is Missy Diobe. And the name of the cloth is what?
Is a cloth made of a local mat.
She said it. All right, let's meet you, Miss Ekwolo. Your name and tell us what your dress is all about.
Thank you. My name is Ojuku Ogeshku Valentina. I'm putting on an animal skin, and the name of the animal is cat. Thank you.
Hold on. Why did you choose to use cat?
Because cat is my favorite pet.
Your favorite pet? You like puss? Please put your hands together for her.
All right, let me say Miss Umo Ezokelum, please.
Thank you for the question. My name is Eze Cynthia. As you all can see, I'm putting on a creative attire designed with toast cup. Actually, this is a creative attire designed with common sense. And you all know that whenever you see toast cup, it reminds us of either wedding reception or birthday party. So cheers to you all.
Thank you. My friend, just hand the microphone over to her. When you are done, you hand over. Let's do this so that I don't stress you. Yeah, let's do it that way. Let's meet you, Mr. Obiuno. Tell us all we need to know about your dress, please.
Good evening, ladies and gentlemen, distinguished dignitaries, and all the viewers at home. I am Miss Chinedum Emanuela Ifunaya Chukwu. As you all can see, I'm putting on a crop top and a skirt. Normally, a skirt is meant to have a lining, but I did my lining with the nylon of pure water and a touch of native attire. So there is a connection between the chemical. When you make nylon, you use chemicals. So there is a connection between the chemical aspect of science and the traditional aspects of life. Thank you.
Wow.
Thank you.
This girl does not belong to this part of the world. Your fune no get equal. All right, let's meet you. Tell us what you're putting on, Miss Odeda.
Thank you very much. My name is Mwafo Chineshere. I'm putting on a basket attire. In the olden days, Nigeria State used it as their mode of dressing. Thank you.
Thank you so much. Welcome on board, Miss Eziobubu. Tell us all we need to know.
Thank you very much for that question. What I'm putting on is African war pieces. The head represents the enemy.
Please come again.
What I'm putting on is Abuba war dance.
Oh, beautiful.
And the hair signifies our enemies.
Oh, thank you so much.
Sign of victory.
Ndewo. Bless you. Next, please. Next will be Miss Umwene quickly.
My name is Mwafu Chioma, and I'm wearing a dress made out of balloons. Variety is the spice of life, they say. The reason for the so many colors of the balloon I use. And the colors also represent fun and partying. So if you love to have fun and party like we're doing right now, then you can rock this dress I'm wearing. Thank you.
Wow! Put your hands together for these ladies.
Please, excuse me. At this time, Your Excellencies, distinguished ladies and gentlemen, they will now march back and prepare and come in their dinner wear. So please, they have tried, they are wonderful, they have showcased how intelligent they are.
Yeah,
please,
sure.
Can we as well applaud them one more time? As the DJ will play music and they will step out one after the other.
Please. Thank you.
does not have the answer. So please, distinguished ladies and gentlemen, I will go over to the next. I can't pronounce your own, but the next contestant is who will ask you this question.
That's Miss Umanoka. Go ahead, I'm here. Miss Umanoka is before you. Go ahead.
Who is the equal of NNEWI?
Good question. His Majesty.
Who is the equal of NNEWI? So please, distinguished ladies and gentlemen, as I've said, I will maintain status quo on what we call professionalism. I will now ask the judges to move on to the next, and also
if you emerge as the winner of this pageant, how will you feel and how will you use your position?
Thank you very much. I'll be the happiest girl ever. And what I'll do, I will introduce entrepreneurship. I will introduce entrepreneurship in the process, whereby I'll bring up the girl side that should know something like skill acquisition. For example, I will impart some knowledge in bead making. I will also look into agriculture because with the level of Nigeria where they are, I will let my own down from them. Thank you.
Did you hear her? All right, your name, please.
Okay, so please, the next question to Miss
Umwenem, please.
Okay. Please, who is a model? Don't touch my mind. Thank you.
Thank you for the question. A model is a person who promotes or advertises products or goods, either through photography or videos.
I think this question is professionally right. Thank you very much.
Next is Miss Abobo. All right, Miss Abobo, welcome. Your question is this: who won the most beautiful girl in Nigeria pageant in 1987? That relinquished it on account of marriage.
Thank you for the question. No idea.
Thank you very much. Please, who is a beauty queen?
The beauty queen is a person who is beautiful, both in character-wise, face, and everything. It's not just all about being beautiful, but it's also all about being beautiful, both in your character and the way you associate with people.
Please, I would like the next beauty queen to speak up. It is important the audience will follow you.
Hold on, please. You're Miss Wu.
Always a column. I'm here. Next person is Miss Ndiojuku. If you are elected as the first female president of Nigeria, what 3 things or priority areas will you tackle, please?
Thank you for the question. First of all, I'll make a budget. Secondly, I'll make sure that all the youths are into something. Thirdly, I'll create something that will be useful to everybody. Thank you.
Yeah, thank you very much. Please, what is the name of the First Lady of Anambra State? Please, what is your
She's Miss Obuno.
Okay, Miss Obuno, what is the name of the First Lady of Anambra State?
Her name is Mrs. Eberechukwu Obiano.
Thank you very much. Permission from the judges. I think she's professionally right. Thank you.
All right, so let's move on. Up next is Miss Obunebu. Welcome on board. What are the major security challenges currently facing Nigeria as a developing country?
First of all, thank you very much for that question. We have our economic problem. Nigeria, as we all know, is in chaos and everything. And we pray in Nigeria that the next president will take us forward. Thank you.
All right, let's go.
What is her name? Your Miss?
Just Miss Ndiogwe, please.
Miss Ndogwe.
Ndiogwe, not Ndogwe.
Okay, thank you very much. Please, who is the president of Nigeria? Don't touch my line.
Thank you for the question. The name of the president of Nigeria is Dr. Mohammed. Dr. Mohammed.
Thank you very much. Please, Miss what?
This is Miss Ndiaku.
Miss Ndiaku, what will you do if you eventually win the crown as the queen of the most beautiful girl in NNEWI kingdom?
Firstly, thanks for the question. If actually, firstly, I'll try to prepare the form and creating school application, entrepreneurship, and creating job opportunities for people.
Thank you very much. Thank you very much. And also, please, the next queen,
Miss Ekulu.
Miss Ekulu. What is the name of the wife of the chairman of Capital Oil?
Thank you for the question.
She have no idea. Thank you very much.
All right, Miss Ezekwapo, I will ask you a personal question. If you are asked to change anything in your body, what will you change?
Thanks for the question. If I'm asked to change anything in my body, I wouldn't change anything because I'm perfect the way I am. Because God created me.
Well done. Ms. Okofe, quickly please. What is your take on breast cancer?
Breast cancer is a disease that tends to damage the personality of a woman and render her useless.
Colleague.
Please, Miss Obiano, who is the CEO of Capital Oil?
The CEO of Capital Oil is Dr. Ifeanyichukwu Patrick Uba.
All right, next, ladies and gentlemen, Your Excellencies, is Miss Eziogugu. Miss Eziogugu, please, I'm going to hit you with this question. When you look at yourself in the mirror, what do you see?
Thank you for that question. I see a beautiful queen with courage, confidence.
I'm done here.
Thank you, Your Excellency.
All right, I can see Miss Uma.